Alright, this is my setup for a well controller. So we have solar charge controller, we have the Wi-Fi relay board, we have some the motor, unloader, and loader relays, and then we have a modified door contact sensor to verify that the pump's actually running. And battery pack down here, and we've got a MikroTik RB532 going up to the house for control, and we've got a 30 horsepower well here, and a 45 kilowatt generator modified with a Mebay DC60D controller, which worked out really good. So you can kind of see the stats here, but works out really nice. It's got all sorts of management and adjustable features. You can control the pump load and unload relays here, and it supports remote start and all sorts of overload protection. I had to make my own little panel here, and then also I had to modify a idle control solenoid or actuator here, so that just goes over to the control on the injection pump. And then we have all our relays for the glow plugs and all that kind of stuff here. It took me a couple days to figure out all the wiring, but anyway, it's a nice controller. So I'll go ahead and start it up here. Yeah, you can do this on my, on your phone, obviously, but I'm just going to do it manually here. So you hear the generator start. And that's the startup and shutdown remotely with the Mebay DC60D controller.